of course, most of the available cash goes to building new machines at the moment.
Which, I mean, if you're trying to maximize for not paying taxes, you can basically get your income down to zero because you'd always just buy more machines.
Yes.
Right, but then you're not making any money. So it's a bit of a kind of a catch-22. I don't know, like where that business gets interesting in terms of the purchasing versus the leasing is you can do some fancy finance stuff so that you can, like, it depends how you recognize the revenue versus how you recognize the cost. Like, there's some interesting things you can do there. But if, like, the constraint of the business, you basically have two options outside of changing a business that already works. Option one is that, like, you can get a capital injection, meaning, like, you sell a small part for a big amount of money and then use that cash to then get you from 80 to 200 or 300 or whatever. Because, like, if you had $1 million, right, that would mean you'd get 13 per million. I'm just rough math, right? 13 things per 100K. So you get 130 more with $1 million, right? And so that would almost triple the business. Not quite, but almost. And so it's like maybe somebody would be willing to do that. But I would probably just look at the lease model if that was the constraint of my business. Because if you can just do that and you can scale limitlessly, that's not too bad.